We didn't decide where, when, or who we were born through. For it makes no sense for me to think, say, or act like I'm better than you. We're one family, one Father, one Creator who put the puzzle together. He decided you'll be born in Africa, you in America, you Europe, and you Asia. We've all seen the news, but I don't want to get political because I like to keep things spiritual. I don't want to get cynical. I just like to keep things biblical. We've seen the story about George Floyd, but there's some other little things that kind of get me annoyed. For example, we're all unique, right? But we're not the same. But it's a shame that some people get rejected simply because of their name. One guy told me he changed his name on his CV just to get an interview so they can see me. What? So you're saying that, okay, say my name is Chukwubikem, right? 12 letters long, clear that I'm from Nigeria. I should call myself Billy just to get a job? That's just silly. I've been in many places and spaces where I didn't even notice that I was the only black one, because the big question is, can you get the job done? Say, for example, that we're applying for a rapping job, right? Say, for example, we're applying for a rapping job. Okay, cool. Let's play. Let's compete. Fair play. Forget about races and faces and accents and styles. Just put on the beat. I think we need to be letting the best man win. Let's forget about skin. Racism is trash, man. We need to dash that stuff in the bin. It's funny as well that someone has actually told me before that, Ike, did you realize that you were the only black guy? You're the only black guy there. I didn't notice, and I didn't necessarily need it to be brought to my attention, because phrases like that can create unnecessary tension. There's so much to learn by deliberately throwing yourself into other people's world. I've done that many times. I've been fluid with people out of curiosity, but I've not changed. I've not lost my identity. You see, there's something we need to realize about this world. Why do I need to stick to my color group or one color group? This world is a colorful picture. There's so much to gain. There's so much to be blessed. There's so much to learn by mingling with different cultures. Listen, I'm not saying that I want to be white. And I'm not saying that you should be black. But what I am saying is, let's have fair rules when we're running on the track. Actually, wait a minute. Let's scratch that, because life sometimes is not fair. But my future is bright, and I believe that I will get there. I will run my race because I'm determined to win, not lose. But whatever you decide to do, that's cool. I'm not going to use racism as an excuse. My name is Ike Ekwueme, but feel free, you can call me Ike. God bless you and your family. Have a nice day.